In this part of the tutorial, we're going to talk about printing to scale and exporting to different formats. So let's zoom all to begin with. And then let's move the circle inside the rectangle to get it inside of our paper. So let's click the Move command, select the outer circumference of the circle, hit Enter because we don't want to select any more objects. Click anywhere and then move it, click anywhere. We don't really care where the circle is. And then we are going to put some text. So type text. And then we're going to select a point inside the circle. And we're going to specify a height of 3, which means 3 millimeters, which is approximately 1/8 of an inch. And then we're going to hit Enter. And we're not going to rotate the text at all, so 0 degrees is fine. And then we're going to type your name. Hit Enter and Enter again. We're going to go back to the print plot window, choose a printer. We're going to plot the limits, and this time we're going to plot to scale. So actually we're going to fit to paper this time, and we're going to plot to an 11 by 8.5. So letter size, there it is, letter size. And center plot. And when you have your printer and all of these settings set, you're going to say OK. I'm not going to print it out, but you print it out. I'll just do a preview. So we have a preview. So let's say you have your paper in front of you, and what you want to do is you want to measure the circle and measure the height of your name. Now the circle was supposed to be 50 millimeters and the height of the text was supposed to be 3 millimeters. So was it? Now let's go back and redo the print, and let's print to scale. We're going to do a 1:1 scale. Alright, so 1:1 scale, center the plot, and again print it out. So again, I'm just going to do a preview. So now measure the circle, measure the name. Is the circle 50 millimeters? Is the name 3 millimeters? So this time they should be. So that's the difference between printing when you fit to the paper and when you print to scale. So if you need, I didn't print the limits that time. Let's redo that. There we go. That looks better. All right, so if you need something to be to scale and measurable, then you need to do that instead of fit to paper. Alright, so now how do you export something? So nowadays a lot of things are digital, and you're not going to print paper right? We want to save paper. So how do you print to a digital format? Well, you can do that. So let's do the application button, export, and you can do all of these, right? I like PDF. PDF is nice. Let's do PDF. And you can select your location where you want the PDF. Give your file a name, and over here on the right you can tell it what you want to print. So do you want to print your extents, or do you want to print a window? So let's print a window, and I want to print really my limits, but it doesn't give you that option. So I'm going to draw a window around my limits. And I'm using my scroll, my wheel, to give me the access. Alright, so there is my window, and I'm using my current page setup. So then I can save it as a PDF. So there you have your digital version of your drawing.